Hello and welcome back everyone. If you are an exporter from India and you deal with the European Union or you're planning to expand your exports in the European Union, this video is just for you. Today, we're going to talk about Rex registration, why it's important, who needs it and how to get it, all explained in a simple, no jargon way. So let's dive right in. First things first, what exactly is Rex? Rex stands for Registered Exporter System, an EU self-certification system introduced to simplify and streamline the process of claiming preferential tariff benefits under the Generalized System of Preferences or GSP trade program. In simpler terms, Rex allows exporters from developing countries like India to self-declare the origin of their goods on the invoice or any commercial document. This means you no longer need to get a formal certificate of origin like Form A from government authorities for every shipment. In even simpler terms, Rex registration is just another form of preferential certificate of origin. The only difference is that it is self-declared by the exporter, unlike the traditional certificate of origin. And why is this important? Because this declaration allows a buyer in the EU to claim preferential duty benefits, often resulting in reduced or even zero import duties. Also remember, Rex is not just for the EU, it also applies when you are exporting to Norway, Switzerland and Turkey, since they too follow the EU's GSP framework. So why do Indian exporters need Rex? Here's the simple answer. Rex makes your goods more attractive in the EU and these countries by ensuring your buyers can claim lower or no import duties. And since 1st of January 2017, it has been mandatory that for consignments over 6,000 euros, exporters must be registered under Rex. If you don't have Rex, your buyer pays full duty, which makes your products less competitive. Let's quickly look at the key benefits of Rex. With Rex, you don't need to visit authorities for every shipment. You can simply self-certify your invoices, saving valuable time. The registration is completely free, helping you avoid delays and reduce export costs. It's valid across the EU, Norway, Switzerland and Turkey, making it easier to access major markets. And most importantly, it streamlines your export process and boosts your buyers' confidence in your shipments. Now, who should get Rex registration? Any exporter from India whose shipments to the EU and listed countries exceed 6,000 euros per consignment are required to get the Rex registration. However, this does not mean that you are not eligible for Rex if your shipments are below 6,000 euros. You can still apply. And even if your shipments are currently smaller, it's wise to register for Rex. This way, you are ready for larger orders anytime and you simplify your process for all shipments. Keep in mind that not all products from India are covered for Rex under the EU GSP scheme. Eligible product categories include textiles and garments, leather and footwear, chemicals, plastics and rubber goods, handicrafts and home decor, food and agricultural products, and finally, engineering goods. So always double check if your product is GSP eligible before using the declaration. Now, what are the documents required to obtain Rex in India? The basic set of documents include self-attested copy of IEC certificate, ITC HSN code of the product to be exported, and self-attested copy of GST registration certificate. Ensure that the contact details mentioned in your IEC match those provided in the Rex application. If there is any discrepancy, you must update your IEC with the correct details before proceeding with the Rex registration. It is also essential to verify the denied entity list, that is the DEL status of your IEC if your company appears in the DEL. You will not be eligible to apply for Rex registration. Now, how do you get Rex in India? Step 1. Go to the European Customs website and fill up the Rex form including business details, product information and HS codes. Upload all the documents as discussed in the previous part of the video. Step 2. Submit the same. Once the application is approved, your Rex number will be generated. Step 3. Get the Rex number verified from the DGFT and you are ready to go and export your products. Step 4. After you are successfully registered with the Rex system, you have to submit a statements on origin document accompanied by any commercial document like the commercial invoice, packing list or delivery notice. This statements on origin document will allow the buyer to get the preferential rate of duty in his country. Now, what exactly is the meaning of statements on origin? A statement on origin is a document or is a statement of a registered exporter verifying the origin criteria for exports under the EU GSP. It is a declaration that states that the products being exported to the EU by the exporter bearing Rex number XYZ are of Indian origin. That's it. And yes, this statements on origin document should also have the place, date and your signature or name. Once Rex registration is done, you need to add the statements on origin documents on your invoice or any commercial document and you're good to go. The validity of the statements on origin is 12 months. This simple statement replaces the need for a certificate of origin and your buyer can directly claim benefits. A few compliance points to be noted are: once you get your Rex number, remember it stays valid unless it's cancelled or revoked. So compliance is critical. You must keep all export records like invoices and origin declarations for at least for a period of 3 years. If there are any changes in your business details like address, contact info, or product category, make sure to update your Rex registration immediately. And most importantly, only use your Rex number for products covered under the GSP scheme. Misuse can lead to penalties or even suspension. Here are some common mistakes that the exporters make with Rex. Many exporters slip up by using the Rex declaration for products not eligible under GSP. This is a major red flag. Others enter incorrect HS codes, which can lead to shipment delays or rejection. Some forget to update their business details on the DGFT portal after changes, while a few make the serious mistake of issuing false declarations. Avoid these errors to ensure a smooth, compliant export process under Rex. And there you go. Rex registration is simple, digital, and powerful system that lets Indian exporters like you take advantage of the duty benefits in the EU, Norway, Switzerland, and Turkey, making your products more competitive and your export processes more efficient. So if you are eyeing these markets, make sure you're Rex ready. Now, how can we as consultants help you here? We at AV International are India's biggest and the most trusted export-import DGFT and customs consultants. We can not only obtain Rex registration for you, but also help you in drafting the self-certified statements on origin so that your export to the EU is smooth and hassle-free. We have a rich experience of serving more than 200 clients in all their export-import requirements. If you want to know more about our company, please visit our website www.avigroup.in. I hope this video made the whole concept of Rex easy to understand. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more easy explanations on export compliance and trade processes. See you in the next video.